is a rainy day, the sky won't stop its cry. Soft rain draws its circles on the glass nearby. The cold comes slowly, settling deep in me. I just wish to hold you close, nothing else I need. The cup is steaming, your scent calls me near. Hot chocolate or some tea, any drink if you are here. And the world outside becomes a pain in fading gray, but in the corner of our couch I just want you to stay. Come and curl in me, I'll show you what love means. With warm smiles and hugs to keep us in between. We'll watch the hours pass, no rush to reach the end. Building up our love, love that will never bend. Your laughter breaks the wind, lights the room in blue. Your body close to mine draws a shining path through. Your fingers tell the stories that silence longs to hear, and every word you whisper makes me smile sincere. The rain composes songs just to cradle you and me. The windows paint our dreams safe for us to keep. And in a gentle sigh I'll promise endlessly, what was born between us came for eternity. Come and curl in me, I'll show you what love means. With warm smiles and hugs to keep us in between. We'll watch the hours pass, no rush to reach the end. Building up our love, love that will never bend. Let 1,000 seasons rain, I'll keep you in my heart. In the warmth of our embrace, there's always a song to start. And if the world insists on spinning without reason, we'll stop the time right here with a kiss and with a song. Stay another second, stay a little more this way. Feel the beating of my chest right against yours, it lays.